All right. I'm not certain, but I believe I've found something. I'd like you to take a look at these scans over Giza. I've marked on these scans with blue and red writing. Red writing is basically just some basic measurements that I thought were symmetrical from here to there. They don't really mean a whole lot unless you're looking at the symmetry. And if you know anything about the ancient Egyptians, they were absolutely obsessed and big believers in all things symmetry. Clearly, this is something we all know very well. One of the very few things we actually know about the ancient Egyptians. But think about it this way. If they were that obsessed with symmetry, they made everything symmetrical, then why wouldn't there be a second sphinx? Right? Given that same train of thought, everything is symmetrical, right? So, the first blue mark you're going to see on the very first picture is where I believe you're going to find the second sphinx. I also shared a picture of Trevor Grossi's that he posted just this morning, and this picture is actually what led me down this road. I noticed something in the background and I said, hey, wait a minute. But the symmetry here, everything lines up just so. The edge of the top pyramid, if you're following it from the scan, straight down will line up with the edge of where I believe the other sphinx is. The bottom of the middle pyramid the line of that will go all the way over, follow it straight, and it'll line directly up with the existing sphinx. And here's the kicker. I believe there's two more. Symmetry. On the other side of the Giza plateau, there are two lumps in the exact same place as the current sphinx and the current second sphinx, where I believe it is at least, and it makes the exact same shape, like an L shape. And there's two lumps right next to NC2, and one of the humps even has two little paws. I believe there's 4 sphinxes on the Giza plateau. I'm putting it out there, I'm making it public. As of now, you heard it first from Vibes, the everyday saint. There are 4, at least, sphinxes on the Giza plateau.